All right, y'all, we're gonna make some cheesy, beefy taco shells. We're starting with 1.5 pounds of cooked ground beef, and we're gonna throw in our seasonings to start. We're gonna do taco seasoning, a whole packet. So just dump that whole thing on in there, as well as salt and pepper, y'all. Salt and pepper, y'all. Yeah, you got it, baby. And once you got your salt and pepper on there, we're gonna start with our liquidy things. We're gonna do some Rotel, chunky liquidy, as well as 1 cup of tomato sauce. Oh yeah, let it get all up in the beef. Oh yeah, once you got your 1 cup of tomato sauce in there, we're gonna put 2 cups of beef broth. Ooh, buddy. Once you get all your beef broth, we're gonna top it off with 1 block of cream cheese. Just spread it around the top here. And once you got your little cubes on there, we're going to go ahead, put the lid on. We're going to put it on high for 2 hours. All right, y'all, so after 2 hours, go ahead and take your lid off. It's been cooking real nice. And we're going to toss in 2 cups of uncooked pasta shells. Once you have your shells in there, go ahead and just get them nice and submerged in the liquid. All right, once you have it nice and submerged, put your lid back on and cook it on high for another 20 to 30 minutes and stir it halfway. All right, and once that pasta is nice and cooked, we're gonna throw in 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese to top this baby off. Y'all, I feel like this is gonna be one of my favorite recipes I've made. So once you got that cheddar cheese in there, get it nice and folded in until it's melty and thick. All right, and once it's nice and melty, this baby's ready to try. So here we go, folks, moment of truth. Look at that. Straight out of Tex-Mex heaven. My goodness, y'all. Let's give this a try. Oh, y'all. Oh, this is so good. Y'all, try this one. It's like, it's just really good. Oh my gosh. It's like a Tex-Mex macaroni, but it's not chili mac. It's like its own thing. Trust me, y'all. And if you want this recipe and a bunch of my others, I got my Substack either in my bio or down in the comments. So if you want the full recipe, go subscribe there and you'll see.